Hello, Wasik.
Hi,
How are you, dear?
I'm fine.
Okay, today I'm going to ask you a Bangla sentence and you have to convert it into English. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, the very first sentence is আমার একটা ভাই আছে.
I have a brother.
That's good. আমার একটা ভাই ছিল.
I had a brother.
Thank you very much. Have a high five. Bye bye. আমার একটা টিভি আছে.
I have a TV.
আমার একটা টিভি ছিল.
I had a TV.
Thank you very much, dear. Have a high five. Okay, আফিফা, আমার একটা কক্ষ আছে.
I have a room.
That's good. আমার একটা স্যার আছে.
I have a sir.
Okay, fine. আমার একটা স্যার ছিল.
I had a sir.
Thank you very much. Have a high five. আমার একটা বাগান আছে.
I have a garden.
Okay, আমার একজন শিক্ষক আছে.
I have a teacher.
আমার একজন শিক্ষক ছিল.
I had a teacher.
I had a teacher. Thank you very much. Have a high five. আমার একটা টুপি আছে.
I have a cap.
That's good.
Hello dear audience, very good afternoon to all of you. This is Saurabh Hussain Saurabh. I'm the head of English department of Imperial Idol School and College, as well as I'm the head of Saurabh's Academy. If you want to become a fluent speaker just like a foreigner, and as well as if you don't want to get fumble in English, then join Saurabh's Academy